Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to activate your Citibank debit card. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and open up the official website of Citibank. So what we're going to do is go to citi.com right here, and once you open it up, this is the main URL. You're going to be greeted by this home page right here. This is the main page from where we can get started. So on your mobile phone, you want to go ahead and open up the application instead, but the process is the same. Once you open up the home page, we want to log in. So you want to go ahead and log into your Citibank account. So what you can do is going to log in right here. If you do not already have a Citibank account, what you can do is register for one or just activate one if you just need an online account. So once you have gotten your account, you can log in, and now you'll be greeted by the Citibank dashboard from where you can take a look at your balance, payments, and so on. And now we can get started activating our card. And basically card activation is very easy. All we have to do is just go right here. So you're going to go to the activate card section. This is the main opening line that you want to find right here on the website. If not, just enter in this URL right here, activated this /index, and now we can go ahead and open up the activate your card section. So in this activate your card section, we can get started inputting our credit and debit card number. So you can input that number right here. Before that, you can just log into your account like I told you, and then you can click continue. After clicking continue, it's going to enable you to activate your card. You can just input it right here, and we have the steps for mobile as well. So if you're on your mobile phone, you're going to open up the Citi mobile app, and you're going to click activate card. From there, you're going to input your card information and enter the 6-digit OTP to complete, and after that you can just click finish and activate your card successfully. So you can do it directly from your PC or from the application itself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.